So today I'm going to show you how to withdraw from your crew account to an external account. So we're here on the demo account. You can see on the bottom left-hand side, we're on the banking tab. Now there's a couple different ways to get to where we're going, but the easiest is here towards the top. We see the word transfer with the left and right arrows. Let's click on this. Now here it's going to ask where you want to transfer from, and you could choose any of the different pockets you might already have or your overall checking, whichever option you would like. So for our example here today, we're going to click on checking. And then it's going to ask where you are transferring to. Now we're going to scroll down here towards the bottom and you can see where it says linked external accounts. And if you don't have one linked, you can go ahead and click on link a new account or check out our video in the show notes down below on how to do just that. So for the example, let's just say we have our external link already on here. We're going to click on that option for that bank. Now it's going to ask us how much we want to withdraw. For this example, let's just say $1,000. And then what you can also do too is scroll down just a little bit more to add a little memo if you want to have a reminder, and then click on review. Now from here, it's going to just do a quick overview showing you where it's pulling from, where it's going to, and keeping in mind it takes anywhere from 2 to 3 business days for a transfer to go through. Now if everything here looks good, all you got to do is click on confirm and you are all set to go. Now I do have more to show you when it comes to using your crew account. So check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning.